Passionate Marriage. Keeping Love and Intimacy Alive in Committed Relationships. Written by David Schnarch, Ph.D. Narrated by Janina Edwards. Copyright 1997, 2009 by David Schnarch. This audiobook is published by arrangement with Marriage and Family Health Center, PC, and was produced in the year 2025 by Echo Point Books and Media, LLC, which holds the copyright thereto.
I'm Dr. Resmaa Menakem, author of the New York Times bestseller, My Grandmother's Hands. I want to welcome you to the audio edition of Dr. David Schnarch's groundbreaking book, Passionate Marriage. David Schnarch was my first mentor, then one of my closest friends and colleagues, then part of a shared community and family. I began with some formal study with Doc Schnarch, but mostly I learned from him in his living room, over restaurant tables, on walks together. For over a decade, Doc and I shared ideas, observations, and many, many belly laughs. In a relationship of communal scholarship, Doc helped me play and work with many insights that I didn't encounter from anyone else. Passionate Marriage also made all the difference in my own marriage, which was once on the rocks, but is now strong after 28 years. The book also gave me many insights that I built on when I wrote my own book about committed relationships, Monsters in Love. The first chapter of Passionate Marriage opens with these words: nobody's ready for marriage. That's absolutely true, even for the people who've been married before. And that first chapter ends with this promise: sex, intimacy, marriage are more elegant processes than you ever dare imagine. That's also true, yet it understates the value, potency, and core messages of this book. Love is not just affection and nurturing and well wishes and support. It is an energetic force of creation that is endlessly emergent. Love looks at where you and your partner are and where each of you want to be, and then it squeezes the two of you in between those poles. It's a process full of peril and possibility, over and over. Even though Doc Schnarch laughed a lot, he brought a deeply grounded, no-nonsense perspective to couples therapy. He and my other mentor, Dr. James Maddock, helped me grow out of the traditional model of couples therapy, in which professionals try to keep couples together.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?